Hello students, welcome you all. So today we are going to discuss question number 2. So here find the coordinates of points of trisection. Trisection means two points which is dividing one line segment into three parts. Of the line segment joining 4 minus 1, you can see 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3. So who are the point of trisection? Point P and point Q. Now you can see we can say coordinate of P, B, x1, y1, coordinate of QB, x2, y2. Now we have to find this coordinate P, coordinate of point P and coordinate of point Q. Now you can see P is dividing AB in the ratio of 1 is to total is 2. This is as FP is equal to PQ, not AB, AP is equal to PQ equal to QB. Therefore, here AP is to BP is equal to 1 is to 2. So, now we have to find the coordinate of Q. So, x1 is equal to, you know the section formula. What is the section formula? I will add the section, generalized section formula. It is x equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and y is equal to m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. But here don't confuse it with x1 and x2. Okay, we have assumed as x1 is p, coordinate of p is x1 and y1. Okay, so here in this case x1 is x here. Now x is equal to, we will use the formula. Now m1 is here 1 into x2 is here minus 2, 1 into minus 2 plus m2 is here 2 into x1 is here 4 divided by 1 plus 2, which will be equal to, here it will be minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3 equal to 6 by 3, which will be equal to 2. So we got 1 point x1 is 2. Now we'll move to y1. So y1 equal to this point. So in this formula we will use 1 into y2 is here minus 3 plus 2 into, that means m2, 2 into y1 is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 m1 plus m2, which will be equal to 1 into minus 3 is here minus 3 plus, here it is 2 into minus 1 is here minus 2 divided by 3. Now it will be equal to minus 3 minus 2 is here minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 minus 5 divided by 3. Okay, you can write it, okay, this is okay, minus 5 by 3. Okay, now we have found the point coordinates of point x P, that is x1 y1. Now similarly we will move to point Q. Here again here we can do one thing. P, we have found the coordinate of P and coordinate of B that we have. Now Q is dividing PB in the ratio of 1 is to 2. You can write now Q is dividing PB in the ratio of 1 is to 1. Therefore x2 is equal to, here m1 is 1, m2 is 1, therefore the formula will be m1 into x2, that is no value of m1, x2 plus x1 simply. So x2 is here we have got x2 is 2, x1 is x2 is 2, x1 is you have got 2, 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2, so it will be equal to 0 by 2, which will be equal to 0. Now y2 will be equal to similarly minus 3 plus y1 is here minus 5 by 3, so minus 3 plus minus 5 by 3 divided by 2 is equal to here 3, then here minus 3 means 3 3 is 9, minus 9 minus here 5 divided by 2. Now it will be equal to minus 9 minus 5 is minus 14 divided by 3 into 1 by 2. Now you can cancel it, minus 7, so it will be equal to minus 7 by 3. So you have got x2 equal to 0, y2 equal to minus 7 by 3. This is your solution. Now we have got x1 and y1. This is your x1 2, y1 is minus 3 by 5 by 3. Okay, so thank you.